Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to scan a Chase Zelle QR code so you can quickly send or receive money without typing in a phone number or email. To get started, open the Chase mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on Pay and Transfer or Move Money from the home screen. Next, select Zelle or Chase Quick Pay. This will take you to the Zelle section of the app. From here, look for the option that says Scan or QR Code. Tap on it and your phone's camera will open automatically. Point your camera at the Zelle QR code you want to scan. Make sure the entire QR code is visible on your screen. The app will scan it automatically. Once the QR code is scanned, the recipient's information will appear on your screen. Enter the amount you want to send, review the details, and confirm the payment. If you want to receive money instead, you can also generate your own Zelle QR code in the same section and share it with others so they can scan it and pay you. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you scan a Chase Zelle QR code, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.